Hey everyone, I'm here today to shed light on a pressing issue that's caught the attention of the global community. It's about the unwavering courage of a group standing against government oppression in Zimbabwe and the international body that's come forward to support them. So let's dive right in. In Zimbabwe, a storm has been brewing, centered around the ongoing persecution and unlawful treatment of opposition parliamentarians. Amidst this turbulent political climate, the Secretary-General of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, Martin Changong, has taken a bold stand. From Geneva, he's voiced a powerful message of solidarity and defiance against the Zimbabwean government's actions. Changong made a heartfelt commitment, ensuring the MPs that the IPU is mobilizing its resources to fight back against their unjust recalls and persecution. The IPU isn't just talking, they're about to walk the walk. A team has been dispatched to Zimbabwe to conduct a thorough investigation, aiming to uphold democracy and challenge any abuses of power. The situation is dire. Take the case of Zvaendwa Sikhala, a former legislator who's been languishing in Chikurubi maximum security prison without trial for over a year. The conditions are harsh, his health is deteriorating, and yet every plea for bail has been denied, directly contradicting established legal principles. The IPU has criticized the handling of Sikhala's case, pointing out serious deficiencies and unreliable evidence used against him. What stands out here is the resilience of those fighting for justice and the global support they've garnered. Changong's message isn't just words, it's a beacon of hope, a promise that the international community is watching and is ready to act. As we reflect on this situation, it's crucial to recognize the power of international solidarity in confronting injustice. The actions of the IPU exemplify how global institutions can play an influential role in supporting those who fight for democratic values and human rights. So what can we do? Stay informed, spread the word, and support organizations that work tirelessly to uphold human rights across the globe. Remember, awareness is the first step towards change. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep the conversation going. Stay engaged, stay informed, and most importantly, stand up for what's right.